focaccia bread and some sourdough. So they're both sourdough. That's sourdough that's going to go in the Dutch oven, and that's the focaccia. And it's just started. So tomorrow, about this time, we'll be in to keep you updated. Hey, really quick before I go to bed, this is the focaccia dough, and it's a sourdough focaccia. It's very sticky. I have done this, I rotate kneading it every, I don't know, couple. Here I'm trying out something new. And that is my sourdough, just the regular sourdough that I'm gonna put in the Dutch oven. I actually marked it right here so I can see how much it raises. And those are gonna sit overnight. It's just regular sourdough. This is my focaccia, and it's doing awesome. It raised really well. So once I get my kids off to school, I'm gonna get them all prepared so they can have their final proof. We are going to make our sourdough today. Okay, so I have right here, I have my sourdough focaccia dough, and it is like quadrupled in size. And then I have my traditional, this is my sourdough loaf that I make, and that was where it was last night, and this is where it is this morning. Look at all that. It's pretty awesome. I love seeing all those bubbles. It's doing great. So now we're going to shape them. I think first I'm going to do my loaf, which is really easy and straightforward. I'm going to use just a little bit of flour, or a little bit of oil right here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the counter, just so that it doesn't stick. Okay, so we've got it oiled right here. Pull my sleeves up. Focaccia bread. So the focaccia, I'm going to add more oil because this is going to be a very sticky dough. So add a little bit of oil to my countertop. Look at that. Look how big it fluffed up overnight. I'm just going to let it kind of come out on its own. You can hear it deflating a little bit as it goes. Okay. There we go. Look at all those air bubbles. All right. Now we want more oil on our hands. I'm gonna put a little bit. Oops, right there. Okay. This is so light. Wow. Fold it once, and then I'm gonna fold it again. Okay. So this, really all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in an oiled pan, and I'm going to use this pan that I've got. I don't have one bigger. I could probably cut it in half and make two, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay this in, and you're just going to lay it in here. And this is going to start to spread out. I'm going to let it sit for a couple hours, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to put my hands in it and make those fun little holes in it, and then bake it off. So we're just going to cover that. It should start to spread out.
It's both cooking.